Hi, my name is Kevin. Today we're going to do an experiment called Make a Medical Dropper. You will need a straw and a glass with water. So first, get your straw, dip it into water, and cover the top. Then take the straw out and slowly bend your index finger like this. Let me reset. Let me do that again. Now you see that, since I'm doing it correctly, that drops were starting to form. This happens because of air pressure. When you cover the top, the pressure on top of the straw was less than pressure on the bottom of the straw. So the bottom of the straw holded the water. But when you remove the index finger, the gravity pushed the water down, and then when you put it back, a drop of water comes out, and then after that, nothing else happens. A pipette, which scientists use, it works the same way. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel, Smart Science Kid. Bye for now. See you soon.